Lecture 10. Adding titles and text to your video. Every strong video includes more than just images and sound. It often includes words on the screen. Whether you are adding a person's name, a title card, or on-screen instructions, text helps your audience follow along and understand context. In this lecture, we will focus on how to create clean, readable titles and text in Premiere Pro. We will also talk about where and how to use them so they support your story without distracting from it. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create and place basic text using the Type tool in Premiere Pro. Style titles using the Essential Graphics panel. Use lower thirds, captions, and full screen text. Adjust font, color, size, and positioning for clarity and design consistency. Why titles and text matter in video. Title and text help viewers know what they are watching, who is speaking, and what matters. They are especially helpful in interviews, tutorials, vlogs, and documentaries. Without them, your viewer can easily feel lost. Think of text as a guide for your audience, not decoration, but direction. How to add text in Premiere Pro. Go to the toolbar and select Type tool. Click directly in the program monitor. In here you can see text box. Type your text. For example, Chapter 1, Introduction. Once typed, the text will appear as a graphic clip. In here you can see which you can move, trim, or place like any video clip. Customizing text with the Essential Graphics panel. After typing your text, use the Essential Graphics panel to customize it. If the Essential Graphic panel is not showing, go to the top menu bar. Click on Window and select Essential Graphics panel. Here's what you can do. Change the font to match your project's tone. You can change the font in here. Select your text and press Ctrl A. Then adjust the size of text. Adjust the size so it's easy to read on screen. You can bold or italicize the text in here. Align your text to the center, left or right. This is also alignment option. So now we will change the font color. For example, red. Change the color so it stands out against your footage. Add a background box or shadow. You can also drag the text box around the screen to place it wherever it looks best. Common types of text to use. Lower thirds. Text in the bottom third of the screen, usually used for names, titles, or brief info. Full screen titles. Often used at the beginning or end of a video to introduce or conclude a segment. Captions or subtitles. Used for accessibility or emphasis. Callouts. Short text pointing to an item on screen, often used in tutorials or product videos. Best practice. Stick to one or two fonts throughout your video to maintain a clean and professional look. Tips for readable, professional text. Use simple, bold fonts like Helvetica, Arial, or Roboto. Avoid decorative or script fonts. They are hard to read quickly. Make sure the text is large enough on both desktop and mobile screens. Keep colors high contrast. Don't overload the screen. Keep text short and to the point. When done right, titles and text enhance your video. When overused or poorly styled, they can be distracting or even confusing.